Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the server region in Forever. This is a really simple change. After all, in the main menu you can simply hit the region button in the top right corner. Then simply select the server region that is the best for you. I will go with North America, let's say. As you can see, this will kick us back to the loading screen. And we will have to create a new character entirely, because characters are server specific. Let's say I want to create a chapel, the priest. Let's quickly go through the character creator. And as you can see, I am currently on the North American server. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.